Tips for honing your skills in affiliate marketing. There are so many scams thrown in people's faces that it's very hard to tell which internet job opportunities are legitimate and which are false. In this video, we will explain exactly why affiliate marketing is a legitimate opportunity by discussing some common sense tips and tricks you can use to grow in real business. Check current news headlines to see if you can use them to your internet marketing advantage. A news story on electrical outages, for example, is perfect for you if you are in the solar industry. Use news stories for blog post ideas and real-life examples of why your product or service is a necessary purchase. Only choose to work with companies that offer current statistics. You want to be able to keep up with all the methods being used to bring in sales. Data that is out of date may not give you the accurate information you need to adjust your methods to the ones your customers use the most. By setting up a profile for your company on various social media platforms, you can help bring more traffic to your site. Many people trust social media and use it for recommendations and information, so having an active profile that regularly offers new content can help boost your site's rank and draw in more potential customers. To increase the success of your affiliate marketing, evaluate the marketing platform of a potential affiliate company before you decide to advertise their products. If the quality of the company's marketing is poor, you will not be likely to receive worthwhile profits from promoting their items. If you are not impressed, your visitors will not be either. Never fall victim to one of the many scams out there. Understand that there are few real opportunities for you, and one of those opportunities is to become an affiliate for a company whose product sales will earn you money as long as you're the person assisting in making that sale. Student loan,